Hello, I'm Vipin Tiwari, and I'm taking care of Operations and Technology Division of Kingsley Engineering Services. Uh, we have taken help of Green Dot Management Solution. It's been 4 to 5 fantastic months with them. We have worked on a lot of things in this past 4 to 5 months. To name a few, first and the foremost, the most important thing that Green Dot implemented in our facility was system integration. हमने हर एक डिपार्टमेंट की एक्टिविटीज को एक सिस्टम में इंटीग्रेट कर दिया है सो दैट सेल्स परचेज प्रोडक्शन सर्विसेज डिस्पैच एवरीथिंग कैन बी मॉनिटर्ड एट वन प्लेटफॉर्म. So that we have achieved through Tally. And now talking about sales order punching, bill of material punching, and then production activities, job work, job in, out, service work order in, service work order out, everything can be tracked in a single day. So that is a big achievement that we have got used to, and we are very much happy about it. The second thing is quality. Now coming from production point of view, quality is very important because we are from engineering field. So Green Dot helped us in creating formats like we did not had any quality assurance, quality control procedures. So we created a quality control procedures. Then we started with material inward inspection format, then in process inspection format. फिर उसके बाद हमने tolerances जो है इनपुट किए. And उसका बेनिफिट इतना अच्छा हुआ कि इन द पास्ट आई वुड से 2 to 3 months वी हैव गॉट टू लोअर आवर कॉस्ट ऑफ पुअर क्वालिटी जो हम प्रोड्यूस करते थे. ऑलमोस्ट हमने काफी सप्लायर्स के मटेरियल भी इनवर्ट प्रोसेस के दौरान हमने रिजेक्ट किए हैं, और हमारा जो प्रोडक्शन साइकिल है वो भी इससे काफी अच्छा हो गया है, स्ट्रीमलाइन हो गया है. हम इनिशियल स्टेजेस पे ही अपने जो डिफेक्ट्स हैं उनको हम कंट्रोल कर पा रहे हैं. So I would say that is a very big achievement for us. Second thing is monitoring of production activities. हमने डैशबोर्ड इम्प्लीमेंट किया है. So in a day हमें कौन सी एक्टिविटी में कितना डिले हो रहा है, कितने दिन का डिले हो रहा है, that also we can easily monitor now. So we are identifying the bottlenecks and then we are improving. So there is a continuous improvement that is happening in our premises. And then we have implemented 5S also. 5S के initial stages में हमने sorting किया. Now the benefit of that is through sorting we have actually got rid of scrap material worth rupees 10 to 12 lakhs. So I would say इतना जो scrap पड़ा था हमारे premises में from 3 to 4 years, हमने 5S के first step से ही उसको जो है 10 to 10 lakhs का material जो है हमने वो sort कर दिया है. अभी हम area marking में जा रहे हैं. We have implemented yellow tag and red tagging system. उससे हमने रेड टैग जितनी भी चीजें थी उनको हमने इम्प्रूव किया है. जो इलेक्ट्रिकल हजार्ड्स थे उनमें हमने स्विच बोर्ड्स डालना, कवर डालना, इन सारी चीजों को इम्प्लीमेंट किया. येलो टैग जहां पर भी अननेसेसरी आइटम्स थे उनको एरिया डिफाइन करके एक जगह कलेक्ट किया हमने. सो नाउ बेनिफिट ऑफ दैट वाज वी हैव एक्चुअली अभी हमारे पास 20 to 30% एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस आ गया है. And that space we are thinking of allocating to different system, that area in process, inward process material. So we have got 30 to 40% more space in our company by just implementing first step of 5S. So that is a very big achievement, and slowly steadily we are also moving to the next step. So I would say taking help of Milan sir and guidance of Nirav sir, हमने 5 months में we have achieved more than what we actually expected. And hopefully in coming months we will take this all activities from sale to dispatch. It can be easily monitored. At the end of the day we'll have a very nice report where हमारे आज प्लांट में कितना स्क्रैप पड़ा है, कितना मटेरियल मूवमेंट हुआ, कितने सेल्स ऑर्डर आउटस्टैंडिंग है. ये सारी एक्टिविटीज को हम बहुत ही इजीली मॉनिटर कर पाएंगे. In addition to that, there is a very high motivation in the team. Before our team was very reluctant when there was new system implementation. Now the team is into a category where they actually want to learn that system very fast, and there is a big change, there is big motivation in the team. So very thankful to the tactics or the strategy that is being used by Milan sir. काफी मोटिवेट करके वो लोगों को अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं, और टीम में भी काफी मोटिवेशन है. So I would say thank you very much, and definitely we are all loving this new system integration through Tally. And hopefully 1 year when we do all this, next year we are looking forward to more such projects with Green Dot. So we'll do that. Thank you very much. Thank you.